Welcome to all. I'm starting questions now. Ladder friction. Friction chapter, question number 90. I am continuing for one chapter or one part. Question number will be always continuing. See, a ladder is placed at an angle of theta with horizontal at ground level. See, this is a ladder at an angle theta with horizontal. See, they told with horizontal, be careful. Then coefficient of friction between the ladder and the ground is 0.4. See, here mu is 0.4. And between the ladder and wall is 0.3 here. That is here, both wall and floor, ground, both are rough. Okay. Find the minimum value of theta. Minimum value means what? See, what is the minimum value? At least that much angle. It can be more. Minimum value of theta for the ladder not to slip. Okay. 1 minute I will tell you. Little later. Regarding this minimum and maximum, so many people get confusion. Minimum requirement, maximum limit, etc. Therefore, there will be a separate uploading class in YouTube under not engineering mechanics. It is for general civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or any subject, or even BA not maybe BA, okay, graduation, undergraduation level, even PUC, SLC also, or general public. I will upload a class regarding this minimum and maximum with so many practical examples. I will explain the concept of that minimum maximum. But anyway, here I will explain briefly. Okay, they want to find. I will explain later. Anyway, at present unknown is theta. Minimum value of theta for the ladder not to slip. They want ladder not to slip. What is the minimum value of angle theta with horizontal? Means, see, suppose you give more angle, okay, good. See, but if you reduce the angle with horizontal, it will slip. But remember, if they ask this angle, they should tell what? Maximum angle, limited. What is the maximum angle? Why? Because if they increase the angle, problem. If they decrease the angle, okay, see here, if you increase the angle, stable. If you decrease the angle, stable. Decrease the angle, unstable. Increase the angle, see, here what? Decrease the angle, unstable. Increase the angle here, see, this becomes what? Increase the angle this way, it is unstable. Anyway, after this class question is over, before I start next question, I have 1 minute, or when this question is over, in between this question and question 91, I'll give rough idea for you. Okay, now, solution. See, I start solution here. This is usual. See, now, so many things I will tell. Solution. Okay. I won't tell each and every class x, y like this. Sorry. There's a limit for everything. I will write xy. Somebody will ask, sir, you have written sigma fx0, sigma fy0. Sir, where is xy? I will tell you, you are not coming to my class. You are not following properly. You think you are under the impression that each and every time I will tell. Maybe what? See, I should tell one more thing later. 6 into 4. I should hold a calculator and show you 6 into 4 equal 24. You are expecting that way. Don't expect that much from me. Then start. See, make a note here. Before you start the question, make a note. See, we require length of ladder and also weight of ladder. See, here the question is freely placing the ladder. You make one more note here. See, here nobody is going to ascend the ladder. Simply ladder is placed. That's all. In a stable position, they want to place it. Later you will see when person starts ascending the ladder, questions will come one by one. Right now, this ladder is for decoration. Imagine, decoration purpose. Nobody is going to touch it. So, but still there is a length for the ladder and weight for the ladder. So, in the question, nothing given. See, next question, I am giving numerical value. When nothing given in the question, length required. So, you do one thing, let L be the length of the ladder and W be the weight of the ladder. See here, length L, weight W, I written here. And one more thing in the class I will tell. In the question, no date. See, you should write all these, you have to write. If you want a pakka fair systematic understanding, what all I dictate extra, you should write. Since in the question, no data given regarding center of gravity of the ladder, it is understood that the center of gravity of the ladder is exactly midpoint of the ladder. So, this is exactly midpoint of the ladder. So, therefore, I will do one thing now. I write one more thing here. See, next time I won't write this one. Okay. Is 0.3, wall is 0.3, some space required, is 0.3. Is 0.3. Okay, see, this is length of the ladder. Length. Since nothing told in the question, understood, see, this point from there or from here, this is A, okay, both are midpoint. This is L by 2, this also L by 2, understood. Along the inclination L by 2 means I told this way also, if I project here, it becomes whatever this is. If this is midpoint of L, when I project here, this is midpoint of this distance. Last class, everything told for you. If you don't go to last class, study, and then suddenly if you come to this class, doubt comes, you are responsible. So everybody who are studying ladder friction from me, first you have to go to previous class. Introduction means, I written title there. All required principles and something etc. Principles and concepts are explained thoroughly in this class. Okay. Now, so this is L, load this way L by 2. Now, one more thing. If this is L, this is theta. See, theta is the angle with horizontal. So, for the length L, its horizontal projection here is L cos theta, L sin theta. Very thoroughly I will explain. Or, if anybody got difficulty, do one thing. Right here, cos theta equal to what? AB divided by L. So, AB equal to L cos theta. Sin theta equal to BC divided by L. So, BC equal to L sin theta. If you want, write that way. If you are finding difficulty, or common sense, when the angle of the inclined member with horizontal is theta, means horizontal projected length is cos theta, length into cos theta, vertical projected length is length into sin theta. But in case this is the theta, then see, if the angle theta is considered with the vertical by chance, next question will come, then horizontal projected length is L sin theta, vertical is L cos theta. That I will explain next question. Okay. Now, this all you write here. Now, they want what? Minimum value of theta for ladder not to slip. So, consider the case when the ladder is on the verge of slipping. See, if you want to know some result, if you want ladder not to slip or stable condition, you first check the case or consider the case or stage when it is on the verge of slipping. Okay, over. Now, therefore, see, now further, let RA and RC be normal reactions, very important, normal reactions on the ladder. That is important. These are all reactions on the ladder, at A and C respectively. See, that is RA is the normal reaction on the ladder from ground at A. RC is a normal reaction on the ladder at from the wall at C. Okay, then, since the ladder is on the verge of slipping, the frictional reacting force on ladder, this friction is there. Why? Both are rough. The frictional reaction force on the ladder, that is FF limit. See, you should write one more thing. The frictional force on the ladder will be, corresponding to, limiting friction. limiting friction. Add it, no problem. Limiting friction. That is, FF limit in general is mu into R, where mu is the coefficient of friction and R is already told normal reaction. Therefore, FF limit at A equal to mu at A into RA. Mu at A is 0.4 into RA. FF limit at C equal to C. It is not B. Sorry, C. This ABC. Sometimes problem for me. Okay. RC, RP. Some will tell this sir does not know ABCD. Okay. FF limit at C is mu at C. See here, mu at C. Okay, what is there? These things should happen so that you can make out I am also human being. See, that should give you inspiration. See, inspiration. Why? He is also human being like us. So when he can attain that much of knowledge, why can't we attain the knowledge? Possible. He got a brain, we got a brain. He got thinking power, we got thinking power. Therefore, if you try hard and dedicatedly study and give full dedication or systematic and understanding way study, one fine day you should tell, I also will reach his level. Okay, welcome. I'll wait for you. At that level, I'll wait. I will wait for all those who are coming to that level. Welcome. We will be friends at that time. Okay. Mu C into RC, 0.3 into RC. Now, I will tell one thing for you. See. This much. Next question onwards. This statement I will write. I will write it because sometimes that statement is not valid. But this statement now onwards in this chapter, I will not write. I will tell usual. See, I will call this as usual. Usual for limit, for limiting friction. For limiting friction. Maybe I may dictate here. Let sometime, I'll tell that way. Limiting friction that way. So that you can't make out. So don't expect me to write this statement again and again, once for all settlement. So in all the ladder friction chapter in future, this statement I will not remember now. A, B, C, D may change. In a question they can give A, B, C, or A, B, C. That is okay. But don't expect me to write all this. So in future, whenever we consider the ladder on the work job slipping, then after write normal reaction, write frictional force. One more thing is there. If they give smooth surface, then you should write no friction. I will do one more question later where this statement I will write for that question also. Then I will stop that statement. People will tell he is after some time, so maybe question number not 90, 96, 97 like that. They may comment. This person is not explaining what is mu R, how you got a 0.4 RA, how you got a 0.4 RC, not good. He is not explaining. I will tell, don't continue my class. You are not fit to be my student. Okay. This much statement over. Now I will neatly put a sketch. See this sketch I write here. See, I am removing this one now. So what I will do is I will tell you now. See, I will mark RA here, RC here, friction here, and one more thing I forgot to tell. See, this is L cos theta, L sin theta. This is L by 2 means this is L by 2 cos theta. This is not required. If you want to write it, this will be, actually not required. See, L by 2 sin theta, waste of time writing. Because when you take moment, you require this distance. So everything systematically written. This question I am solving. Immediate my next question is same type of question where friction coefficient I will change and I will ask the angle with vertical and I will tell it's a numerical question. Weight of ladder will not be at midpoint. It will be, I will tell center of gravity of the ladder is at a given point along the length, not midpoint. That is next question, 91. After finishing that question, today's class will be over. Next class onwards, non-stop questions with the least explanation for these things. But question what they want, I will explain. Okay. Now, I will remove all this one now and put the sketch and solve. This question I decided to solve in front of you only. Okay, see, start. Right, usual statement, consider free body diagram of ladder, remember, ladder, and also consider equilibrium. Consider equilibrium. This statement now onwards, I will not write. This I was writing so many times earlier. Okay, start. Systematical here, see, your ladder is here. We don't know what is the angle. Okay, this is the ground. This is the wall. Angle not known, your angle is unknown, that is theta. Now, I took this point as A, this point as C, this point as B. This is rough surface. See, now no surface because now you are acting on the right line, you are right. Okay, no problem, see. This length is L. See? This length of ladder is L. L. And the weight of ladder is W acting at midpoint. W, so I told you if you want, actually not required, this length is not required. Still to understand, L by 2 and L by 2 means that length is not required here in this question. This question, length and W are not required, to cancel. That's why next question will get numerical value, exercise for you. Okay, then this total length is L cos theta. See, this is L cos theta. If that is L cos theta, this distance will be L cos theta divided by 2. That side is the same. And this height will be L sin theta. L into sin theta. Now reaction, see here. Ladder will press the ground down. So on the ladder, there is an upward reaction RA. Ladder will press the wall to right side. So there is a reaction this way. This is reaction on the ladder from the wall. This is RC. When this ladder slips, it will slip this way. See, slipping left side. So friction force is right side. This already I told you, it is mu. What is the mu given there? It is 0.4 times RA, already told. Now I won't waste time. 0.4 times RA, limiting frictional force, all explained already. And here, when the ladder slips here, C will come down. So the frictional force here will be up, equal to 0.3 times, 0.3 correct? Yes, 0.3. 0.3 times RC. Okay, this is the free body of the ladder with all the action and reaction. I will ask someone, how many actions? Sir, just one action. Which one? Weight of ladder. How many reactions? Total 4 reactions. But how many unknowns? Only 2 unknowns. What 2 unknowns? Theta also is unknown. There are total 3 unknowns are there. So I told, okay, now, next. Now make a note here. I already told earlier. Note. Already told earlier. In the friction chapter so far, we are considering only concurrent force system. So sigma fx0, sigma fy0, but this is this is a coplanar force right here. You should write it. This is a coplanar force system. Coplanar force system. Therefore, for coplanar force system, the basic conditions of equilibrium, you write here, I am dictating. Basic conditions of equilibrium are sigma fx0, sigma fy0, and sigma m equal to 0. This all I told. So this is sigma m0 is extra. Algebraic sum of forces in x direction equal to 0. Algebraic sum of forces in y direction equal to 0. Algebraic sum of moment of the entire force system about any point equal to 0. Your choice. Any point equal to 0. Okay. Usually, so far, see, this is actually what? Friction chapter. Sigma fx, sigma fy, usually I apply sigma fy first. But this time onwards, I will apply sigma fx first in the same order. But later, when I go to strength of materials, their order is reversed. That I will tell you later. So first do one thing. Space problem is there. I should make here, see, sigma fx equal to 0, take right side positive. Start. Plus 0.4 RA, plus 0.4 into RA. See, I am using red color for unknown. Plus 0.4 RA minus RC, that's all, equal to 0. You take this as equation number 1. See, you will not get any unknown now. And then sigma fy equal to 0, take upward positive. So, plus RA, then plus 0.3 RC, plus 0.3 times RC, systematically solve, minus W. Next question, I am giving an exercise for you where I will tell the length how much numerical, W how much numerical. That question you solve. Same as this question, one change I will make. In the sketch, I will give ladder like this. So, what? There also I will ask theta only here. So here, that I will tell you later. Okay. So there, that I will tell you. Same way you solve it. Okay, then equal to 0. Therefore, you take this as equation number 2. See, here W is not an unknown. It is some weight is there. See, W, don't think W is unknown. They are not asking by W. Actually, weight is there. It is a numerical value. But this question, they are not given W because, and they are not given length because it is not required. It will cancel. How? I know it. You will be knowing later. Okay, now, sigma fx 0 or sigma 0, still see RC. You can solve right now and get RA and RC in terms of W. But do one thing. No, not that way. Now, somebody will ask doubt. Sir, shall I write RA in terms of RA? Shall I get RA in terms of W or RC in terms of W? For that, do one thing. Apply the next condition. Then you will be realizing which one you require. Okay, now, the most powerful next, sigma m equal to 0. Algebraic sum of moment of entire force system about any point 0, usually I take about the bottom point. So I will take about A, 0, take clockwise positive. First of all, sigma m 0, I should not explain engineering mechanics, support reaction. So many questions are over. So if you have not gone through earlier classes of engineering mechanics, of support reaction calculation or moment calculation and come to directly this class, you will not understand anything. So finger should be at A. Then write RA into 0, 0.4 RA also into 0. Start from here. RC, see, horizontal force into vertical distance. Thousands of times told, see, minus anti-clockwise RC into L sin theta. So it is minus RC into L sin theta. Then once again see anti-clockwise minus 0.3 RC. Slowly I am solving. Next time don't expect me to solve this way. 0.3 RC into see, L cos theta plus L cos theta, 1 minute, cos theta plus W into L cos theta by 2. L cos theta by 2 equal to 0. See, I should not explain horizontal force into vertical distance. Vertical force into horizontal distance. Force into perpendicular distance. If someone will surely tell, sir, this you told 1,000 times earlier. Okay, 1,000 first time. If till you are not able to get the moment, means you do not continue my class. So I will tell you here, see, RA into 0, 0.4 RA into 0, because both these forces are passing through the point A. Then RC is a horizontal force. See here, stand here. RC, see, when the force goes this way, RC into this distance, anti-clockwise. So RC into L sine theta is anti-clockwise, and minus, see, minus 0.3 RC into L cos theta, that also is anti-clockwise, plus W into this distance is L cos theta by 2. See, correctly here, what will happen here is L will get cancelled. See, or even if they give L, it is not required. See, L cut, L cut, L cut. So L gets cancelled. Therefore, now do one thing. Take this as, don't simplify now. You can't do anything. Equation number 3. Now you have to solve 1, 2, 3. Now make a note here. Note here. See, RA in terms of RC. Here also RA in terms of RC. W is not unknown. So, but when you sigma m0, RA is not there, RC is there. Therefore, note from equation 1 and 2, get the value of RC, so that you can substitute, get the value of RC. See, this is because, see, by chance, if this is a numerical question, by this time, you know the value of RA and RC. See, next question, when I give exercise for you, I am giving W. Then you can do one thing. Solving 1 and 2, you get RA and RC. Substitute that RC here, you get the answer. But this time, it is not a numerical question. So, get RC. See how to get it now? See, I want answer, see, I want RC value here. So, RA is in terms of RC. Here, RA minus RC minus W is there. What to do is, from equation 1, see here. Okay, 1 minute now. Space problem is there. No, I will go here. So, save the time. But you should not write there. You should write where in the same order you are write. Don't write this way. This is L sine theta, space problem. L sine theta. Okay, see. From equation number 1, I want to eliminate RA. So, RA equal to, see here, W minus 0.3 RC. 0.3 RC. Then substitute into 2. What do you get? RA, that is what? W minus 0.3 RC. 0.3 RC, that is what? RA plus W minus what? See here, 0.4. Huh? Equation 1 is 0.4. Oh, RA, from which one? From equation RA equal to W. Where is equation 1? Okay, equation 1, no, sorry. Oh, okay, I am seeing wrong equation. From equation 1, you can tell what? RA equal, okay, I saw the wrong equation here. Okay, RA, why RA? Because unknown in the moment equation is RC. I want RC value now. So, from equation 1, RA equal to RC by 0.4. Okay, RC by 0.4. 0.4. Then, substitute in equation number 2. What you get? RA. RA is what? RC. RA equal to RC by 0.4. RA is RC by 0.4 plus 0.3 RC equal to W. See, equal to W. You can take that side. Or minus W equal to 0. Then you put one more line, equal W. Or, say, this much common sense is there. Or do one thing. Somebody will tell, sir, I am substituting as it is. Substitute. RA, so replace RA by what? RC by 0.4 plus 0.3 RC minus W equal to 0. Therefore, next write RC by 0.4 plus 0.3 RC equal W. Now happy? Okay, now happy. Okay, then, therefore, see, 1 by 0.4 plus 0.3 equal to 15 by 4, that is 2.8. You get 2.8 times RC equal to W. Therefore, your RC equal to W by 2.8. See, W by 2.8. 1 minute now. I will tell you later. You got RC W by 2.8. I want that answer for some reason. You got RC W by 2.8. Okay, now do one thing. Okay. Now, lastly, no equation mode. See, substitute. Now, everything is over now. So now do one thing. See, to avoid confusion. Now, continue from here. Substituting what? RC equal to, how much you got? W by 2.8 in equation number 3. See what you get? Minus RC is minus W by 2.8 into what? Sin theta minus 0.3 into RC. RC is how much? RC is W by 2.8, 0.3 RC into cos theta plus W into cos theta by 2 equal to 0. See now what happens here, correctly see. Your W will get cancelled. W will cancel. Therefore, I write here now, you will get, see, you can do one thing. 2.8 by sin theta, see, minus sin theta by 2.8 minus sin theta by 2.8. Here, minus 0.3 by 2.8. Where is it? No, sin theta by 2.8 plus space problem is there here. 1 minute. I think I can remove this sketch now, correct? Why I want sketch? Why you want this sketch all now? Now this sketch is not required. Why? And this everything I can remove now. Everything I can remove because everything clear? Yes. Okay. Nothing pending? Okay. Nothing pending, correct? Yes. Because if I search something, if you require, I have no alternative because I don't have written statement. I come to the class with only pen. So if I forgot some answer, I have to stop the recording, remove the camera, go inside, play back, note down, write it, again set the camera. Then someone will tell, sir, why don't you write in a paper and bring? No, I have never done in my life. I will never do it. I never solve prepared question. Throughout my life, I have not done. Okay, then, therefore, you get C. You do one thing. Minus sin theta divided by 2.8 equal to, so take that side, 0.3 by 3, this becomes plus 0.3 equal, see, is equal now, equal to, take that side, plus 0.3 divided by 2.8 minus 1 by 2 into cos theta, or see, minus, now go for decimal. Who will struggle with the 2.8 minus 2.8 reciprocal is minus 0.35, little more accuracy, 3571 sin theta equal to 0.3 divided by 2.8 minus 0.5 is minus 0.3928, 3928, okay, little more accuracy. Here it is 2.8 reciprocal is 0.35714, okay, little more accuracy, minus 0.35714 sin theta equal to minus this much into cos theta. So this much common sense should be there. This is a high school mathematics. Minus will cancel. Or sin theta divided by cos theta, minus minus cancels, equal to 0.39286 divided by 0.35714. That is, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta equal to 0.39286 divided by 0.35714. 1.00, oh, nearly 45 degrees. 1.10, okay. 1.100, who knows? It may be 45 degree exactly, I don't know. Who knows? I think it is answer may be 1.10, 3 zeros, then 2. Why? 16 is there, 2. Therefore, theta equal to, your unknown theta, so far I used a black color, but unknown theta, therefore your theta equal to 1.10002 equal to, okay, shift tan inverse answer 47.7268 degrees. 7268 degrees. See, I will make a note here. 47.7268 degrees. That is the value of what? RC, WRC. Okay. That is the value of theta. Therefore, this is, therefore, you write here, see, all over now, right? Therefore, for ladder not to slip, minimum value of theta equal to 47.7268 degrees. That is, ladder will not slip if your theta, remember this theta is with horizontal, is more than or equal to 47.7268 degrees. If it is 47.7268 degrees, ladder is on the verge of slipping. If it is more angle, stable. But if the theta, or you can add one more thing if you want, or ladder will slip if theta is less than 47.7268 degrees. This is the angle with horizontal. Okay, 1 minute. I will rub it and give it. Here only I will give it. Okay. Nothing is there. See, now I should not tell. I told you last time. See, you first make a note here. Green color will do, no problem. See, as theta is horizontal is lesser, see, less theta, lesser. This is slipping chance is more. Slipping chance more. That is, if the angle of the ladder with the horizontal is lesser and with vertical is more, slipping chance is more. See here, if you place this way, see, if you place this way, slipping chance is more. When the ladder is more towards horizontal and high angle vertical, slipping chance is more. Therefore, for ladder not to slip, we want high angle here. Therefore, minimum angle. Here it will be maximum. See, one more thing, see here. Or if the angle is this, ladder is this way, high angle with horizontal and less angle vertical, slipping chance is lesser. Chance is lesser. So make this note. This already I told you, see, or lastly I will tell, I should not explain further and further now. See, one ladder is required here. Okay, tube light will do. Okay, see, ladder. If the ladder is this way, see, high angle with horizontal, less angle with vertical, stable. But if the ladder is this way, less angle with horizontal and high angle is vertical, slipping chance is there. So with the horizontal, for preventing slipping, we want high angle, therefore minimum. With the vertical, to prevent slipping, we want lesser angle, therefore maximum. One small thing I will tell you now only. In examination, to pass university examination, see, you require minimum is 40. See, for passing in examination, maybe university decided you should get either 40 or more than 40. So if you should get 40 or more, if it is 40, you are just pass on the verge of slipping. If you get more than 40, you are pass. So minimum 40. If you get less than 40, it is fail, unstable. Maximum limit with verticals, Speed limit. Imagine police department, traffic department decided maximum speed allowed on a road is 80 kilometers per hour on highway. Maybe car or bike. I feel more than 80 should not be allowed. 100 all, I think, is not allowed because I have seen if you go at 100 speed, maybe road is good. If a small problem comes, either tire bursts or some chassis breaks or somebody suddenly comes, it will give to disaster. So I feel better have lower max speed limit. So many people are going like a rash in highway, you can see. I pity them. They don't care for their life. I can drive very fast. I used to drive earlier, but now if I am driving, I usually in highways I never drive above 60. It's enough for me, no problem. My native place from here is around 300 kilometers. Okay, I will reach 1 hour late. What is there? But I will safely reach. No, risk is not there. If someone comes, I can apply sudden brake. Nothing will happen. Okay, same way. Remember, speed limit. Maximum limit they told 80. Means you should drive at a speed of, you are safe. See, police will stop you. Then they will see the meter. What is your speed? Then you are safe if your speed is either 80 or less than 80. So you should not drive above 80. So 80 is the maximum limit. See, so maximum speed you can go is 80. If your speed is more than 80, gone case. See, if your speed is more than 80, that is you have committed an offense. You have to pay the fine then, or you will be booked. So, examination point of view, for pass mark, there will be minimum requirement. You should get either that one or higher. So on the road, for speed, there will be maximum limit. You should drive either at that speed or lesser speed. Okay, sufficient. Further, I will tell later. Now I will do one thing. I will prepare question number 91. See, 91. I will solve briefly here. See, a ladder is 1 minute. This question, I will give a sketch for you, so that I will give a sketch for this one. So that I want the ladder. See, usually when you solve a question in ladder, now onwards, up to end of chapter, usually I like ladder to be placed. See, when they give by words, you place like this one. But some examination I have seen, they give a sketch, they won't tell left side, right side. They'll give sketch like this. Those who thoroughly practice this question, they get confusion. Okay, therefore, I'll give a question now. 1 minute, I'll do one thing. Instead of angle with horizontal, I'll get angle with vertical. Therefore, now only commitment. What? See, I will tell you now. Answer we got 47.7268 degrees now. So, your answer has to come 90 minus 47.7268. I am giving same question, no change of data. It has to come 42 point, I write here. It has to come, I write here, 42.2732 degrees. This much answer should come for next question. Committed. Okay. Now I'll solve, give the question for you. I'll rub the board and solve. Question number 91. This is for you to practice question. You remember, this is your practice question. or exercise. Very briefly I'll solve. Same as last time question. Last time length was not given, weight was not given. This time it is given. It does not matter because it cancels. Okay, given. Okay. Then last time they want angle with horizontal. This time they want angle with vertical. Okay. So last time they want what? Minimum theta. This time they will ask you maximum theta. This I told just now. With the vertical we want always lesser angle. Since you want lesser angle, there is a maximum limit. You should not exceed. If further difficulty is there, you go to that YouTube class I am going to upload later. Okay, start. Sketch. See, this time, last time ladder was this way. See, ground and wall. This time turned here. And ABCD also turned. See, last time this contact was left, bottom contact was A, top contact was C. This point, this junction is B. Now interchange. A, C, B, A, B, C. They told. Okay. But mu is same as last time. Otherwise, answer will not come. Okay. For the ladder shown in figure, find the maximum limit for, see, maximum limit for angle theta is, theta should not be what? More than that value. It can be lesser. See, theta can be lesser. Then no problem. With the horizontal, see, theta can be more. Okay. Maximum limit for angle theta for the ladder not to slip. Okay, now everything you write. See, 1 minute. I should not tell this one. Okay, this question is given. I will start solution here. I should not tell first of all. See, I already warned you. Be careful. See. This time, see, when you take the triangle here, this length is known. How much? 6 meters. Okay. Weight is acting midpoint. Okay. Then this is your theta. See, this is your theta. Therefore, their theta is with vertical. Actually, you can do one thing. You can solve like same as last question. Take this theta. But if you take theta, somebody will get angry. I told that is theta. Then you can do one thing. Take this as alpha. Solve the question. Once you get alpha, theta equal to 90 minus alpha, then the person will think, oh, this person does not know how to solve the question if the angle is considered with vertical. It will give bad impression. Answer will come. Okay, now we will solve. Theta, see. Now, see, theta is the angle made with vertical. Therefore, what? Vertical component is cos now. See, this is your what? 6 cos theta. This is 6 sin theta. You should be very careful. Or you can write one thing, ABC. ABC. Okay, do one thing. If you got difficulty, write here. Sin theta equal to, see here, AC angle here. Sin theta equal to AC by 6. So AC will become 6 sin theta. Cos theta equal to AB by 6. 6 cos theta. Or since theta is with vertical, now vertical height will be psi cos and horizontal is sin. Be careful. Okay, suppose you take alpha, then same as last time. 6 cos alpha, 6 sin alpha. Your alpha will come same as last time answer. Then you have to subtract. Okay, now other things all, see, other things I am not writing. Since you are going for limiting case, that all you write story, finally see, RC, see, ladder will slip this way, friction this way, 0.4 RC, ladder will slip, will press it here, RB, it slips down, so 0.3 RB. Okay, start. Sigma fx 0. First of all, what is on the board is sufficient. Sigma fx 0, right side positive. See, plus RB minus 0.4 RC equal to 0, equation number 1. Sigma fy 0 plus 0.3 RB, is it visible? 0.3 RB? I written too much upper side, I think visible. Oh yes, visible, no problem. Plus 0.3 RB plus RC minus 600 equal to 0, 2. Now do one thing, replacement is not required, you can solve it. Solving 1 and 2, you get RB and RC. But unknown is theta. Okay, now one more equation required. So, take moment about C. I always prefer to take moment about the bottom point. See here. Start. RC into 0, this also into 0. Then RB into 6E. I written dark here. Be careful. This is cos, this is sine. So this is half. You know it. This is actually not required. Okay, see. Take moment here. Plus clockwise, see. Plus RB into 6 cos theta plus 0.3 RB into 6 sin theta minus 600 into 6 sin theta by 2 equal to 0. Substitute RB equal to 214.2857. Substitute here, etc. Finally, tan theta will come, theta will come. I already told you, if my concept is correct, if I know the subject correctly, answer theta has to come 2732 degrees. Okay. See, now make a note. I am not going to, this much I wrote. Honestly, I will tell you, I have not bothered to check the answer because I rechecked once again this one. So if this is wrong, answer will not come. This is not wrong because I took moment in front of you only. So now substitution is not wrong. Suppose by chance, if any substitution problem is there, you change it, but not wrong. Everything correct. I am not going to check it. I got a confidence. Maybe because of approximation 42.273, the last number may fluctuate. See the angle here, 273. That is as per last answer. Last number may fluctuate. See, you may even get 42.273334. Okay, third decimal 42.273 or 274 may come. If it comes 5 and above, that is 0.001. That is because of approximations. Okay. Anyway, I will check for your sake. I am getting 42.273. Next number is not visible here. There is some dust in the calculator. I cannot see how much that number. So I should clean it. Why should I clean it? At least I got 42.273. Promised answer. Therefore, no cleaning. Okay. Who calculated, first of all, tell me? But remember, note. You make a note here. This is the what? You make a note here. This is the maximum limit for theta, because this theta is with vertical, not horizontal. Last time you got how much? 47.727. This time 42.273. 727.273. 727. I should have done 727 only there. 7 is 3, 2 is 7. Okay, correct. Okay, now these two questions study thoroughly. Next class onwards, see, maximum question, I will take ladder like this only. But once in a while, I will take ladder like this. And variety of questions are there. I will solve one by one. This question or two questions today sufficient. Go through everything. First to understand everything. See, one more thing I will tell you. There can be complication here. I can give this as mu1, mu2 like that. Find theta. It can be solved, but trigonometric problem will come. See, first of all, this class is for structural engineering. But I am also covering academic purpose. Academic purpose all, such questions nobody will give. They will give a question where it can be solved reasonably easy way or with a reasonable concept. They will not give a question where complication will come. See, solution is there. Some question solution is not there. I will tell you when. Or some question become nonsense questions. That also I will tell you. If solution is there, it can be solved. But lengthy. Lengthy. If you take 1 hour to solve, who want to solve that one? So understand, examination, all academic exam or competitive examination, they give simple question. Or academic, little tough. Okay, such questions will be given. That all is solved now. Somebody is ascending the ladder, how much he can go along the ladder, or we want him to safely go, how to prevent the ladder from slipping, either by pushing at the bottom, or pressing down, or attaching a cable, etc. That all I will tell. Okay. So just study these two questions. Thank you. Next class we'll meet.